Okay. Muhammad experience of trading together with his excellent reputation drew him to attention of Khadijah, a very beautiful and wealthy widow belonging to a family of merchants. Khadijah employed Muhammad to take her goods to trade in Syria. Khadijah interested to Rasulullah because Rasulullah reputation and the ability of Rasulullah of trading. Khadijah gave Rasulullah attention and believed to Rasulullah that Rasulullah was able to take care of her goods. And then Muhammad handled the trading very well. As we said, and brought back more profits than Khadijah had ever made before. Wow, that was amazing. Rasulullah was a very amazing trader. Khadijah's servant, Masyarah, who accompanied Muhammad to Syria, had come to admire and respect him greatly, and gave a glowing report to her mistress about what a superior person Muhammad was. Even the servant of Khadijah also admired Muhammad. That was because his ability, his experience, and also his attitude, his akhlak. Yeah, and then Khadijah wanted to marry Muhammad Rasulullah, whose refined speech and looks had made such a profound impression upon her. Khadijah got interested to Rasulullah because Rasulullah was the one that Khadijah never met before. There was no one Khadijah ever met like Muhammad before. Yeah. When Khadijah conveyed her willingness to marry to her friend Nufaisha, so Khadijah had intention to marry Rasulullah, to propose Rasulullah, but not directly. It's like from the third person, that was Nufaisha. Muhammad Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam having great respect for Khadijah. Khadijah said and happily said yes. Wow, because Rasulullah respect Khadijah, then he accepted and said yes to marry her, and the marriage was very joyful, a joyful one. And then they were finally married. They were well suited to each other and were blessed and 6 children, 2 boys and 4 girls. Sadly, however, both sons died at an early age. So sad to hear that. Khadijah was not the only Muhammad's wife, but also his friend and helper, and later, first his disciple. First his disciple. Yeah, first his disciple. Hang on. When the Quraysh persecution of the Prophet was its height, just before Muhammad's decision to leave Makkah, the Quraysh persecution of the Prophet was at its height. Khadijah died. It was a terrible loss for Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Years after Khadijah's death, Rasulullah married other wives. It means more than one wife. Yeah, he had only one more child by the last of these wives, a son named Ibrahim, and who also died in infancy. That's all. So Rasulullah was very a great person for Khadijah because his character, his reputation, his attitude, and his insight about trading. Yeah, let's read it. Zayd ibn Haritha. Zayd was traveling with his father Haritha when their caravan was attacked. He was dragged away to a bazaar and sold there as a slave. The person who brought him, Khadijah, brought he would be useful to her husband Muhammad. But the Prophet did not like the idea of slavery. So when the boy's father Haritha came to Makkah and begged him to give him back, saying that he would pay you however he wanted, the Prophet told him that he did not want any compensation. If Zayd wanted to go with him, he could take him. Much of Haritha's surprise, Zayd said that he would been shown so much love by the Prophet that he preferred to stay with him. The Prophet Muhammad then looked Zayd to the Makkah, and in the presence of the Ziyad's father and uncle, announced to everyone that his boy was now his son. Haritha and his brother went away happily, knowing that Zayd was in a good hand. Oh, Zayd and Haritha. Jadi di cerita ini Rasulullah nggak suka perbudakan karena dulu Khadijah pernah mencoba membeli, nggak tahu ya, di sini katanya Khadijah membawa budak yang dijual, berarti Khadijah membeli untuk Rasulullah. Dan ketika Rasulullah dipertemukan dengan budak itu, Rasulullah tidak menyukai slavery, artinya nggak suka perbudakan. Jadi si budak itu boleh diambil lagi secara bebas oleh keluarganya. Dan keluarganya ini, dan ternyata si budak ini juga malah nggak mau diambil lagi karena ternyata dia lebih nyaman hidup sama Rasulullah, karena Rasulullah itu so much love, banyak cinta di antara Rasulullah. Oh, are you happy? And